Hi there, I'm John Collins. Today is the 11th of March, 2024. Those who've been following news reports out of Colorado are aware that the state is investigating and responding to a very serious situation involving a DNA expert who reportedly engaged in very serious acts of misconduct. And when something like this happens, as you can imagine, it can take years for the criminal justice system to fully recover and for the trust placed in expert witnesses to fully recover as well. So it seems somewhat fitting, or at least coincidental, that I have the opportunity to visit forensic science and law students and faculty at Duquesne University on Thursday of this week to speak about how to function effectively as an expert witness in a court of law. But in addition to that, I'll also be discussing strategies that are used to build up the credibility of expert witnesses in court, as well as strategies that are used to discredit or disqualify experts who are called to testify in courtrooms all across the United States and in all kinds of criminal and civil disputes, most of which have a profound impact on people's lives. This stuff really matters, and it's critical that we have experts testifying in America's courtrooms who are skilled and confident, but also ethical and trustworthy. Two things in particular that are going to make this a really special experience for me personally is first, having been invited by Dr. Pam Marshall, who is an experienced forensic scientist herself, someone who has been in the trenches and who really has a reputation of being quite effective in preparing students to come into the forensic science profession. And that's not an easy task when there are so many skewed perspectives out there on what forensic science really is and how it is practiced. Finally, as a professional coach who specializes in working with teams and professionals in authoritative occupations such as forensic science or other criminal justice types of entities, the subject of expert witnessing provides a really unique opportunity to sort of segue into a larger discussion about the responsibilities of expertise and the importance of crafting and maintaining a strong, confident, but trustworthy authoritative presence. I've testified many times myself in many kinds of court cases, and each time I testified, I really tried to think of myself as a thought leader on the subject I was testifying about, and to do so with as much integrity and clarity as possible. So that's really what it means to be a leader in an authoritative occupation, and it's why expert witnessing is, in fact, a form of leadership, just as expertise is a form of authority that comes with responsibilities that must be taken very seriously. So I'm really looking forward to sharing these ideas with my new friends and perhaps future colleagues there at Duquesne University. It's going to be a lot of fun.